Good afternoon. Happy New Year. It's actually New Year's Day today. And it's another balmy day in Minnesota. It actually just started snowing a little bit. Looks like it's snowing a lot more, but that's just because I don't know if where you are, but it has been so foggy this last week and a half. It's been crazy. Like crazy. Did I tell you I was supposed to do truck last Friday? And I couldn't even get there. Truck was at 6, so it was a little later, but I got up, like my 4:45 or whatever, left by like 20 after, because I thought it was supposed to snow. But I started driving and I got to a light and you couldn't even see the light from a block away. That's how foggy it was. And then when I got even to the street where the light was, I could not even see across the street. And I tried twice. So thank goodness there were 2 people who live closer that they did it, because I never don't make it in. So anyway, but yeah, I don't know how much snow we're supposed to get. I felt like painting last night. So I pulled out my paints and it was so relaxing. Excuse me. I'm gonna show you my painting. I call it Swallowed Up. And when I started painting, it's funny because I found myself, you know how my mom, she said she loves to draw women, and that seems to be not consciously, but where I go to. And when I just kind of start with a concept. I'll maybe like look up like other drawings or paintings, and then just kind of get a vision, and then I just start, and then it just turns into whatever it turns into. I haven't glazed it yet, so I want to glaze it, and I may not even be finished with it. But yeah, I call it Swallowed Up because it's how I feel. I feel like it seems like her hair is like the ocean or something, like a tidal wave, and it's engulfing her. And that's kind of what 2024 felt for me. Felt like I was like being swallowed up and I'm disappearing. But 2025, I'll have to do a paint about that. Here I come. I ain't being swallowed up, because that's a choice. It's being a conscious choice. So I am gonna go work out because I've been doing it consistently, and hopefully that will keep going because it makes me feel so much better. But I was trying to think of something to do. It's been so dreary, and it's our last day off. We go back to school tomorrow and Friday. But I called Jessie. I love bowling. I love bowling. I haven't bowled in a long time. And so I made reservations, and me and Jessie and Baylee are going bowling. There's a bowling alley right by their place. And so I'm excited for that. So we'll be going to the bowling alley. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go in and work out quick, and then head to bowling. I'll see you there. Done with my workout. Always feels good. Just so you know, I go in and I always start with like a 30-minute brisk walk, sometimes a light jog, nothing too strenuous. And then I have on my phone, I wrote in my notes like a workout. Each day I do something different, and I've actually incorporated just like free weights into my routine also. And so yeah, hoping I can keep with it. And that leads me, I wanted to talk before I go bowling so I don't forget to talk about this, but it's been on my mind a lot lately that I don't want to dramatize it by saying PTSD, because I know when people think of that, they think of something, they mostly think of veterans, but I have this, and I can feel it, and I felt it for a while now, and let me know if you resonate with this, that life keeps throwing so many curveballs at me. You know, I have something in mind that I want to do or want to stick to, or like working towards a goal. And, you know, in the last couple of years, and well, in my life, you know, with people dying and stuff like that, that I already feel that something's going to happen to stop anything that I'm starting. I hope that makes sense. And so I'm kind of like, yeah, I want to do this, but already in the back of my mind, I'm already thinking, okay, well, what's going to come up that I'm not going to be able to continue this? And I know it's a wrong feeling, but it feels like I've just been conditioned. Like, that's just how life has gone for me. That now I feel like I can't follow through on anything, and not of my own volition, but that something's always going to be thrown in my way, so I can't do it. And it really like messes with my goal setting. I told you I'm a goal setter. I never really had this problem before. I mean, a lot of things always pop up, but it just seems like that I get kind of afraid to set a goal or even make a plan, because I always feel like a wrench is going to get thrown into it and I'm not going to be able to stick to it. And then I just feel defeated. I was thinking, you know, my painting was swallowed up, and that was 2024. Well, 2025 is going to be spit out. And I don't know, like, I just have to keep getting out there. But I just wanted to, I don't know if anybody resonates with that. And I think a lot too, especially when the pandemic happened, you know, everything since then seems to be so up in the air. I mean, finding a job even, you know, going to the gym, keeping consistent. I was thinking to van life. It seems like I never did van life. That seems like a dream to me now. And you know, that was just a year ago. You know, when did I come back? Oh, not even. I came back in April. Oh my gosh. Hasn't even been a year. And I feel like I've lived 3 lifetimes since I've been back already, which is crazy. Hence the swallowed up feeling. But anyway, I just wanted to say that's like how I'm feeling, and just seeing if anybody else resonated with that it seems like, and then you're hesitating to set goals or plans because it just never seems like life lets you follow through on those. So you just keep moving forward. Okay, now I'm off to bowling. Let's go have some one on either side. It's Thursday morning. I didn't end up the video last night after bowling. But that was so much fun. It's so nice to get out and do something different. We usually go out to eat, but yeah, it takes a little extra effort to find things to do. But then when you do them, you're so happy that you did. So yeah, so hopefully that's a goal for 2025 for me, to adventure out a little bit more in the limited time that I do have right now. So yeah, let me know what your New Year's, I don't like to say resolutions because listen, I already told you that I'm afraid now that I commit to something in my head, a goal, and then life just throws curveballs and you can't do it, and then you feel like a failure, even though you're not, because it's out of your control. So anyway, you go out, make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. I don't even have a van anymore. Go call someone you love, and as Joy says, tell them that you love them, and don't you dare forget your magic. I will see you in the next one. Bye.